Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can use cardless withdrawal on NBD Emirates. So guys, the first step you need to do, log in into your account. After that guys, wait. When you log into your account, tap this icon on the bottom on your app. As you can see here, this button. After that guys, what you have to do, just simply if you click this button as you can see here and click under action, tap cardless withdrawal and select account or change the different account and enter your amount of the slide and confirm. After that guys, as you can see here, click this option here and click this option. After that, click your amount you want to withdraw cardless and enter your smart pass pin. After that, click confirm. This is how you can do guys. Click this action here and click confirm and follow just this steps guide and you can withdraw cardless easily. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.